In this video, I'll show you how to change the date format in ClickUp. What I need you to first do is come at the top right. You see your profile avatar? Go ahead and click on this, okay? You get a drop-down menu. And from here, I need you to go ahead and select Settings. Now, on our Settings page, we need to come here in the left panel, scroll down until you find My Settings. So go ahead and click on My Settings, and you will be on this page. What I need you to do now is scroll down again. So here, if I keep scrolling down, see a bunch of different options, we get to time and date format. What you need to do is select from these options. So let's say you want your date format to be day, month, and years. So we'll go ahead and select that. So that's day, month, years. And you can go ahead and change the start of the calendar week. Some countries, it starts on Sunday, some starts on Monday. So you can select it according to your needs. And make sure, guys, you save your changes here at the bottom right. A lot of people do these changes, but they don't save it, right? So you come back here and it's done. Okay? It's really that easy and simple.